Hi, this is Jugal Srivastav, and I'm the area chair and assistant professor for the sound department here at the True School of Music at Vijaybhoomi University. So, welcome to the cutting edge world of sound engineering where creativity and technology come together. Here at the True School of Music at Vijaybhoomi University, the program B.Tech in sound engineering is specifically designed to convert your passion for sound into a professional career with technical prowess as well as creative mastery. You'll gain hands-on experience with all the industry standard tools, from multi-track recording systems and analog signal processing all the way up to immersive sound design and surround sound mixing. We ensure that you don't just graduate with theoretical knowledge, but also with a lot of practical expertise. From mastering the physics of sound and acoustics to exploring cutting edge audio technology like spatial audio, binaural mixing, and AI driven sound synthesis, we equip you to innovate in a constantly evolving industry. So, join the next generation of audio professionals with our B.Tech in Sound Engineering program, and let's create the sound of tomorrow.